I keep a 2-gallon saltwater tank in an attempt to have a ready source for cool marine microbes. I was looking at a sample from this tank when I came across a very odd critter. I have to admit, it took me a minute to realize that this spiky thing was a tardigrade, a marine tardigrade. I had no idea marine tardigrades were so much less, well, cute and cuddly than their freshwater counterparts. This stabby piglet just about filled my camera frame at approximately 500 times magnification, making it quite small in comparison to the freshwater tardigrades I've found. Unfortunately, this tiny nightmare bear expired in short order after finding it. I decided I'd go on a bear hunt a couple of days later, and to my delight, I found several more in the first petri dish I pulled from my tank. Yes, we were in business. There doesn't seem to be much info on marine tardigrades. From what I could find, there are only about 260 described species and subspecies of saltwater tardigrades, but it's expected that there are many more yet to be described. Many of them seem to have sticky pads on their feet and use them to move around in sand. But my little goth tardigrades have claws instead. This made it extremely difficult for them to move around on the slide. I decided to add some debris to see what they gravitated towards and how they move when they have something to grab onto. Much better. I had a lot of fun observing them as they walked around the chaeto algae bits that I added to the next slide. Suddenly, their strange leg structure and claws made perfect sense. They seemed to anchor themselves with their hind legs, and then use their other 6 legs to move around. It was fun to get a good look from all angles. The stylet, which the tardigrade uses to pierce and suck out their food, was best seen under cross-polarized light. Their unpigmented eye spots are something I hadn't noticed in the first specimen I found. At first, I thought they lacked eye spots altogether. The freshwater tardigrades I've seen have all had pigmented eye spots instead. I happened to catch this hydra attempting to eat a rather large spicy bear. It first became immobilized, and then the hydra attempted to swallow it, but ejected it after about 40 minutes. I'm unsure if the tardigrade was too large for the hydra, or if the spikes were the problem. The tardigrade didn't recover from the encounter, so I'm not sure it was the most effective defense mechanism in this case. Is that what the spikes are for? I'm not sure. I have other questions as well. Did the tardigrades come in on my tank's live rock, or something else? I've noticed a large population of them on the chaeto in my tank, and they seem well designed for it. Is that a popular source for this species in the wild, or are they just adapting to their current environment? It's been a month since I've added anything to the tank, so why am I just finding them now? With the exception of the unfortunate fate of the first death metal bear and the hydra's attempted meal, the others all survived their photo op and were returned to the tank. With luck, I'll continue to find tardigrades in my future samples. I guess they actually are pretty cute after all. If you have any additional info on this species of tardigrade, please let me know in the comments. By the way, this is Pipyr. I hope you have enjoyed this little glimpse at the tardigrades of doom. If you have, please like and subscribe to join me as I learn about the fantastical microbe world. See you next time, and thanks so much for watching.